Modern pastry production requires reliable and precise solutions. The answer to these needs are the Planetary mixer VMix and the cream cooker MK. The preparation of crème légère starts with the correct selection and preparation of ingredients. The proper dosing is a key element in achieving a consistent, high-quality product. The ingredients are placed into the Planetary mixer, where the mixing process begins. Precise speed control of the mixing tool allows for a stable, smooth, and airy mixture. At this stage, intensive aeration takes place, giving the product its proper structure. The funnel added to the machine allows ingredients to be added without stopping the process. The Planetary mixer VMix ensures even mixing throughout the entire bowl volume. An intuitive, programmable LCD panel significantly simplifies operation and reduces working time. The machine is equipped with an automatic bowl lifting system, which eliminates additional operator actions. Mixing tool removal is extremely fast and simple thanks to the mounting system with the rotating head. Once the required parameters are reached, the cream is ready to be combined with Crème Pâtissière, previously prepared on the cream cooker MK. The use of professional equipment enables full control over every stage of the technological process. The machine allows the operator to precisely adjust working parameters to the specific product requirements. The result is a consistent product with high quality and an ideal texture. Before being combined with whipped cream, the chilled cream is mixed at a defined speed using a special mixing tool. This gives it a light, airy, and smooth consistency characteristic of crème légère. The cream prepared in this way is ready to be mixed with whipped cream. The finished cream can be used directly in further pastry production, as a filling, a cream layer, or a base for desserts. The use of modern technology increases efficiency and optimizes the entire production process. Automation reduces raw material losses and ensures a high hygiene standard. Solutions such as the Planetary mixer VMix and the cream cooker MK guarantee reliability, efficiency, and high production quality. A professional approach to the process ensures a perfect result at all times.